Tool time. Show you what I'm using in the way of tape measures. Nothing scientific about it, but a couple of things are different in Russia to other places. If you're from America or even England, sometimes you come across this type, the old tape measure, normal, lock it to hold it in place, they're okay. But on here, I don't know if you can see this, I'm trying to focus here. You have inches and you have millimeters and centimeters, millimeters and inches. To me, it's just confusing. If you're using centimeters, stick with centimeters, the metric system. If you use the old imperial inches, stick with that. Buy one or the other. Don't buy these. It just confuses you. In Russia, everything's metric. Nobody uses inches. It's just not done. So if you're buying tape measures, best thing to do is make sure it's purely in centimeters only. And that way there's no confusion. Nice big letters. There's another one. There's another one again in centimeters. What sizes am I using? Usually for handiness in my hand I use a small one. This one is 5 meters. Maximum, don't buy 3 meter rulers, because if you're measuring 3 meters you have to get it right to the very end and then it won't wind back in again. It's better to get a slightly bigger one, 5 meters or something like that. And then diagonals, obviously, especially for the bigger ones. I've got a 10 meter ruler. I wouldn't buy, you could get an 8 meter, but 10's better, because if you anything around about 8 meters you're measuring and you're stretching it. So 10 meters is, and with the automatic lock as well, so you're not having to put the lock on every time. It just automatically stays open and just goes like that. Lovely, very simple. They're not expensive, and this one's got a bit of a ratchet on it. Starting to, I think it won't be long before this one's done. These don't last long. Zuba is not a bad brand. This one here is HBE, some Chinese thing. Yeah, okay. And as for this type of ruler, I use these are 20 meter ones. These are made by Hessler, and you get them in Petrovich here in Russia. And these are steel rulers. The good thing about these is the 0 point starts from the very edge of that there, from there. So if you hook it on something, you're only losing what, a mil or two, and that one, they don't stretch as well. So very good. But if you get them wet, eventually the paint comes off. But again, around about 500 to 600 rubles. $5 or $6 per ruler, so not expensive. I use these on the foundations. These last about a month and a half before we replace, not long. So there you have it. There's your rulers. Don't buy the old inches. If you're buying, if you're building yourself here in Russia, or even if you're getting somebody else to build it for you, stick with the old centimeters. It's much easier. If you need to go to the inches, if you're determined to go that way, then you need to get your architect to do it into imperial measurements, which is an extra cost. I don't like imperial. It's an old-fashioned system of 12s, and it's just so old. I grew up with that, with the old-fashioned system, and I can tell you the metric system is far easier to work with, and far better to work with, far simpler. Anyway, on with the video.